Yes.
There's something technical they explain to people. You see, when you do this, it makes the distribution board look neat. Two of us. True. But you know that technically it is wrong.
When you bind them together.
Yes. Especially when you bind them like this without a breathing space. Why? When positive electricity is the flow of positive charge electrons. Do you understand? Not negative, but it is positive charge electrons. That's what electricity is about. If you read Michael Faraday's principle of generating electricity, you will understand that it is positive charge electrons, right? Now, when these electrons flow through a conductor, okay, it goes at a certain speed. Now, that generates heat. So, a time when you hold this cable, it will be hot. When all loads are on the system, it will be hot. Now, you see this type of cable, it is called PVC. This cable is what?
PVC.
Okay. Meaning that the only thing protecting it is the insulation. So with time,
Yes.
as the insulation keep going, getting hot and hotter, it will become weak. Now when it becomes weak, now you are not going to bridge all the lines together without knowing. I don't know if you understood what I said. Now, in a system where it is three-phase, it becomes more dangerous because at the end of the day, you see three things. At the end of the day, you are going to see three lines. Okay? You are going to see line 1, line 2, line 3. Connected in these breakers. Now, these cables, for example, if it is three cables, it means that one will be on line 1, the other will be on line 2, the other will be on line 3. Then you now bind them like this. What have you done? Technically, you have joined them together, but you don't know. So, this is my view. Allow the cable, arrange it neatly, but allow the cable to have freedom. They shouldn't touch each other. Don't bind them like this. I don't know if you get my point.
Yes.
So now, problem. You see, they've used the correct breakers, I can say, in terms of brand. Change is one of them. You understand? But now, you see, the color code has changed. So one problem, color code has done what? Changed. Now we don't use red again, we use brown. So the new color code has to be brown, green, black, and blue. Before, it used to be red, yellow, red, yellow, blue, and black. But now that has changed. So now you see this so back color coding. Then aside that, you see, come close to them. You see this? This. Where's the screwdriver? Anybody with a screwdriver? No, I want proper screwdriver. See, take a close look at this. This should not be so. You understand? Use a bar. A small bar, there's a bar that you can put in. That can link this into this. Instead of using this cable. You understand the point? And then also, you see, these links. No.
Yeah, the top.
This one.
Be careful. Okay.
Some of the cables
are sealed.
You understand?
Come this way, see that.
Yeah, I've seen all that. And I've said this thing time and over and over. People, somebody would like to argue with me on this. You see? Okay. If you want to tighten something very well, don't use this time. Use flat. You see that? But you can still see that when I turn this one, it went.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me do the second one. Okay, this one is okay. It's not supposed to turn 360. Okay. If it turns 360, that's loose contact. 360 means it goes like this. That's a loose contact. You get it? Okay. Now, let's do another shoot so that I will explain something to you guys.